In the automotive world, some models are so cool that enthusiasts can't help but want to recreate them. I'm here at Mecum Glendale looking at 4 classics along with 4 modern upgraded counterparts, which begs the question, are they better than the original? First up is this generation of Corvette, this one being a 1959. To many enthusiasts, this was vet perfection right from the showroom, and it should be left alone. This example here is one of only 745 produced with the fuel-injected 283, and with these timeless looks, you know that a creative individual was going to get some inspiration. Fast forward to modern times and you'll get this, a 2013 C6, and this is one of only 2 built with an LS7, delivering 505 horsepower, and that custom exhaust exits through the bumper just like the Classic. Computer-engineered carbon fiber replacement panels were used to recreate this iconic look. Rewind back to 1969, and this was the hottest Firebird cruising the streets, a Trans Am. Just 697 were built, all of them cameo white with full-length blue stripes, including a painted rear taillight section, and all of them also got blue interiors. This one has the standard Ram Air 3 400 cubic inch V8, and it's definitely a collector's dream. Which is why the crew at HPP Cars built this for a recent SEMA show. It's a 2011 Camaro that is meant to honor the legacy of that original. In addition to the color scheme, they also included touches like the side louvers, the blue interior, and that distinct rear panel. Another timeless icon, this 1955 Fargo Power Wagon, built by Dodge, but sent to the Canadian market. This one has undergone a comprehensive 3-year frame-off restoration, and under the hood is a 230 cubic inch flathead inline-6 paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. And of course, living up to that tough as nails workhorse image, it retains its 4-wheel drive system with locking hubs. Fast forward and you get a truck like this that takes that toughness to a whole new level. This is a 58 Power Wagon W300M, meaning it was ordered new by the Navy. This has been fully overhauled by Little Bit's Vintage Speed Shop Garage and features elements like a brand new 480 horsepower LS3 V8. Speaking of rugged off-roaders, Mercedes has their own OG, the G-Wagen. This one's a 95 and it packs a rebuilt 3-liter inline-6 turbo diesel with other upgrades including later style OEM taillights. What if the full-size had a baby brother? It might look something like this, a Bodo G-Wagon Golf Cart. It's fully electric with a range of 80 miles and a top speed of 35 miles per hour. And check out that interior complete with rear seat entertainment. Conversation starters? Oh yeah. Polarizing? You bet. But better than the original? You decide and let me know in the comments.